Alright, Nerd Squad. Android 16 just landed on my phone, and I swear it's like Google finally found the effort button. The second I updated my phone, it went from a sluggish sloth to a caffeinated squirrel, faster, smoother, and somehow prettier. First, live updates. Forget bouncing between apps just to see if your DoorDash driver has crashed into a tree. Android 16 throws real-time progress updates straight into your notifications. Food delivery, ride sharing, package tracking, boom. All there. You don't even need to open the app. It's like Android finally learned how to multitask without annoying you. Then there's the Material 3 expressive design. Google took the old interface, dumped a bucket of Skittles on it, and bolder, bubblier, smoother fonts, chunkier colors, louder animations, smoother than a pickup line you regret later. The whole UI feels alive now. It's playful without looking like a kid's toy. As for tablet nerds, or anyone rocking a large screen Android device, desktop windowing is the glow up we've been begging for. You can open up multiple apps, group them, resize them. Basically, your tablet now moonlights as a budget laptop. You can finally drag your browser, Notes app, and YouTube around like you're on a MacBook knockoff. And it basically works without feeling like a clunkier science experiment. Security? Google's flexing hard. Advanced protection now shields you against shady apps and scam calls. Your phone's essentially the bouncer outside of a sketchy club, except it doesn't accept bribes. Accessibility's had a makeover too. Better hearing aid compatibility, and you can even use your phone's mic for clearer calls. Huge win for anyone tired of tinny audio. Performance? Android 16 went beast mode. It automatically adjusts for larger displays, keeps CPU and GPU usage on a tight leash, and optimizes demanding apps and games. Translation? No more lag spikes when you're trying to flex your Gershwin impact skills. Customization got an upgrade too. Custom keyboard shortcuts let you bounce around apps faster than on big screens, and notifications? Forced auto grouping keeps your shade tidy, plus new dismiss buttons when you long press a notification, because scrolling through 400 spam alerts isn't anyone's idea of fun. The bottom line is Android 16 isn't just an update, it's a personality transplant. My phone feels faster, it looks fresher, it multitasks like a champ, and if you're on a Pixel, smash that check update button now. And for iPhone folks watching this, yeah, you might want to look away. Start sneaking, stay blinking. Now with desktop windowing. If you like content like this, feel free to hit the subscribe and likes buttons. Leave a comment. Pretty please, pretty.